Thinking about jumping into crypto, but not sure where to start or how to avoid getting wrecked? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started with crypto in 2025, safely, step by step, even if you're brand new. Hey, I'm Brent, and I make crypto simple for beginners. I post weekly videos to help you invest smarter without the hype. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's make your first crypto move a smart one. Step number 1, understand what crypto actually is and why it matters. Before you put any money into Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's crucial to understand what you're buying. Crypto is short for cryptocurrency, which is a type of digital money that exists on a network called the blockchain. So, what's a blockchain? Think of a blockchain like a digital notebook that everyone in the world shares. It records every transaction in real time, and once something is written, it can't be changed. It's open, secure. They don't rely on banks or middlemen. You can send money anywhere in the world 24/7 with low fees, and no one can block your transaction. As an example, if you've ever sent money overseas, you know it can take days and involve high bank fees. With crypto, you could send it in minutes, often with less than $1 in fees. Step number 2, choose a safe, beginner-friendly exchange. To actually buy crypto, you need to use a crypto exchange. Think of it like a stock trading app, but for Bitcoin and other coins. Here are 3 trusted exchanges that I would recommend for beginners. For starters, there's Coinbase, which has a super beginner-friendly interface. It's great for Canadians and Americans. They also offer a bonus for new users when you deposit. There's Kraken, which has excellent security, lower fees, and is good for long-term holders. Then there's Binance, which offers tons of coins and low trading fees, but it may feel a bit advanced for your very first purchase. I've included affiliate links below. Some of them give you free crypto or bonuses just for signing up through my link. So, check those out. As a quick pro tip, you always want to double check that the exchange you choose is licensed to operate in your country and has a strong reputation for security. Step number 3, set up your account securely. Once you pick an exchange, it's time to create your account. It's a simple process, but there are a few key security tips you should follow from day one. So, once you start, you want to first go to your exchange's official website. Always double check the URL to avoid any type of phishing scams. Click that sign up button, then enter your real name, your email, and a strong password. You can use a password manager such as 1Password or Bitwarden. Most exchanges will ask you to upload your ID for KYC. This is normal and legally required. Enable 2FA, your two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from an app like Google Authenticator every time you log in. You don't want to be using any type of SMS-based 2FAs. Hackers are still able to intercept text through SIM swapping. This is your money we're talking about here. You want to treat your crypto account like your bank. Use strong security right from day one. Step number 4, you fund your account. You want to try to avoid any type of high fees. So once your account is verified, you'll need to deposit money, which is called fiat, to buy crypto. Most exchanges offer a few different funding options. You could do bank transfers or e-transfers, which is often the cheapest way. You could do debit or credit card, which is faster, but it does have higher fees, usually around the 2 to 4% range. Then there's wire transfers, which are slower, but these are good for those larger amounts. Fees can eat into your profits, so always check before you fund. As an example, on Coinbase, you might pay 1.5% in using a bank transfer, but 3.99% using a credit card. So for a $1,000 purchase, that's a difference of almost $25. I recommend starting with a small deposit, maybe $50 to $100, just to get comfortable with the process. Step number 5, buy your first crypto, the smart way. Now, for the fun part, actually buying your first crypto. Here's a simple, safe starter approach. You want to first log into your exchange, Then search for the coin you want, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then you click that buy button. Choose the amount in dollars and confirm your purchase. Most platforms offer two options. You could either do a market order, which buys the currency instantly at the current price, or you could do a limit order. This lets you set the price you want to buy it at. This one is a little bit more advanced, but it can save you some money. So, which coin should you buy first? For now, you should stick with the well-known battle-tested coins, such as Bitcoin, which is the original cryptocurrency and the most secure. Or you could get Ethereum, which is the foundation of smart contracts. Or you could do Solana. This is newer, but it's fast and widely used. I don't recommend jumping into any type of meme coins or altcoins on day one. Learn the basics first, then you can start to explore. As a quick reminder, you don't need to buy a full Bitcoin. You can just buy as little as $10 worth. That's a small purchase, can help you learn how it all works without risking too much. Now, step number 6. Store your crypto safely. If it's not your keys, it's not your coins. Here's one of the most important things most beginners don't realize. If you leave your crypto on an exchange, you don't truly own it. If that exchange gets hacked or gets shut down, you could lose all your funds. So, to stay safe, you want to move your crypto to a wallet. This is a tool that lets you control your private keys. There are two types of wallets out there. There are hot wallets, which is free and convenient, and it's great for starters. There are apps out there such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinomi. You could download them on your phone or your browser. These are great for small amounts and short-term use. Now, you want to be sure to write down your seed phrase, which is about 12 or 24 words, and you want to store these offline. Then, once you start to buy more crypto, you want to get a cold wallet. This is the most secure wallet out there. There are devices out there such as the Ledger Nano X or the Trezor. These store your crypto offline, making them immune to online hacks. This is ideal if you're investing more than $1,000 or planning to hold on to it long term. Think of it like this. A hot wallet is like your day-to-day wallet, while a cold wallet is like a safe in your house. You want to have both of them eventually. Now, it's very, very important. Never ever share your seed phrase. If someone has it, they can empty out your wallet. In crypto, there's no forget password button. So as a quick recap, you want to understand what crypto is. You want to choose a secure exchange. You want to set up your account with 2FA. Then you want to fund it carefully. Then you want to buy your first crypto, but you want to start small. Then lastly, you want to store it safely in a wallet. That's the safe, smart way to start with crypto in 2025. If this helped you, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more no-hype crypto tutorials every week. Got a question? Drop it in the comments section. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and welcome to Cryptocurrency.